Hello, it's Miss Paula here. Today we're going to learn how to make a 2-minute brownie in a mug. And let me tell you, I have done lots of research for you all, and I have found this recipe and it sounded so good and I had to try it out, and guys, it's delicious. So I cannot wait to share this with you. First thing we're going to need is a mug. And I love this mug because can you see what it says? It says, "Yes, I can." And I know every one of you all can. So we are going to need for our ingredients 4 teaspoons of flour. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1, 2. We need 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. We need 2 teaspoons of water. And we need 2 teaspoons of oil. 1, 2. Now that I've got all my ingredients in there, I take a spoon and I stir it up. And I stir it up really good. I keep stirring it around, and I'm going to show you all that you stir it until you get all the right residue. See how I'm stirring it up really good? Get all the white residue so it's not sticking to the cup from the flour or the sugar. Once I get it up, stirred real good, I'm ready to put it in the microwave. And my directions say 30 to 40 seconds, so I'm going to do 40 seconds. I'm going to start, and I cannot wait till my timer goes off and show you all. Now, once my timer goes off and I get my mug out, there's some toppings if you all would like to put on. You can put on whipped cream, you can put on ice cream, you can put on chocolate chips, or you could even put on nuts if you would like. Me, myself, I just like to eat my brownie plain, but I know my husband Larry, he likes vanilla ice cream on top of his brownie. But I know everybody's different and everybody likes different things. I was just throwing out some suggestions or ideas that you might want to put. Oh, did you hear that? My timer went off. Let's open it up. I'm going to grab my mug by the handle and look at this delicious brownie. I hope you all enjoyed it and are having a great day.